Hi everybody, I'm Karen with Traders Hill Farm, and today we're here to do an unboxing of this week's Wellness Salad Box. So this week in our Wellness Salad Box we have our signature romaine, a red pepper, some parsley, tomato medley, a couple beautiful crowns of broccoli, which are really great grilled. We have our fan favorite, the mini cucumbers. You don't need to peel these, just slice them and eat them. Some sweet onions. And last but not least, we have our butterhead lettuce. That's it, folks. We'll see you again next week.